Hello everyone. Today is at 2 October 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Balera, and today's our video topic is uh, types of contents. Type of container. Uh, there are two types of container: bin factory container and application context container. Firstly, we discuss the bin factory container. Bin factory is a working of the bin factory as the name has provided. Bin factory means the in bin factory there are create the beans or produce the beans. Okay, then and bin factory is a basic container. At that time bin factory are produce the bean at runtime uh, runtime at the as the requirement as their that of requirement means the then we can write or we can call the object. That time the beam factory are provide the object. That's why the bin factory is slow, and bin factory is a old version. Bin factory is a old version. The processing of the bin factory is slow. That's why the spring provided or develop the application context is fast because the application context are uh, application contexts are contain or contain or contain or store the object at at the time of the server of means the at the compile time. uh, Using the if the we can up the server or compile the server at that time. Start scan or at the compile time, the IOCR command to the start auto start component scan, and auto start component scan are scan the all uh, project or all the project and co- content or collect the object and collect the object. That type of object we can write the class type of annotation and pass to the application context, and application context are command to the beam factory to produce the all the objects. And the in the application context, the singleton features are used because the application context store the one object of the all classes. And if you if you call or declare the any object with the data type, then that time the application context provide the same address to the all object at a compile time, because the application context are use the singleton. if you uh, if you want to all time uh, all time new object, then that time you can declare the one annotation is a scope annotation to the object to this object. And with the value of the scope annotation is the prototype. At that time the all time the we can all time we can at that time we can demand the number of object. The all time you can receive the new object. The processing is the we can demand the new object. That application context are demand to the beam factory, and beam factory are produce the all time new object. The difference between the application context and beam factory: application context is a heavyweight and Beam Factory is a lightweight, because the application context store the object of all classes. That's why there are more memory to required, and Beam Factory are produced the at that time. That's why the Beam Factory less memory required. Time requirement of the start to the server is less to the Beam Factory, because the Beam Factory are no object to required, no object create at a compile time, and application context are uh, application context use or require the high time to compile, because the application context are create the all object at compile time. Then the next is the runtime speed is high of application context, and runtime of the runtime speed of the Beam Factory is slow, because the application context are directly inject the object at directly inject the object, because the already present in a object in a application context. But in Beam Factory, the Beam Factory are produce the object, and then the give the object to the give or directly inject to the dependence injection. That's why the Beam Factory is slow. This is all about the Beam Factory and application context. Thank you.